to have the pack.
Okay, start!
Hi guys, we're out from Noodle Bro. We're gonna make Legos.
Legos?
Yeah.
What kind of Legos?
Truck.
A truck? Or is it the Optimus Prime one?
I don't know, but let's find out.
Okay, here's a mystery package for you.
Okay, thanks, Papa. How do I open it? Wait. What? It's the truck! Oh, it's the truck! I love it! Wow.
Wait. Is it Lego? But why is it in Chinese? What could that be?
Lego Chinese!
Chinese Lego?
Yeah, but open the piece. This is not really a regular piece.
Pull it. Pull the box. Whoa, what is that?
Chinese! I love you, Chinese!
Okay, show the box to us, Al. Whoa,
Oh my goodness.
it's a really big box.
This is gonna take a while.
So it's some sort of Lego from Xioami.
Yeah, but it's gonna take a while.
Yeah, it's supposedly for 14 years old plus, as seen here.
Oh my, we're gonna be old.
Well, I'm gonna build it for you, but maybe you can show us what's inside. Let's do an unboxing on this.
Take this box! Ow, my hand!
I'll take off the plastic for you. Plastic wrapping off now. Open it. I'll show us what's inside.
Take that.
You know how to open it? Oh, it opens up like this. Dang, da, da, dang.
Open my card. Oh, I get it.
Unboxing.
Yeah! Papa, this is gonna take a while. There's a lot of pieces! Oh my. Some tires?
More tire. Oh, it's a really big tire.
Yeah, it's a monster truck.
Okay, we need to make sure not to lose any of those packages. Hey, what's that?
Charger.
Charger?
Yeah.
Are you saying this is battery powered?
Yeah.
You can move it with a remote? No way, that's really cool. Uh-oh.
Maybe the connect with the drone one.
Okay, there's an instruction, but it's in Chinese. We don't read Chinese. I can't read Chinese. Can you read Chinese? No?
Yeah, maybe.
They don't have any instructions here?
Maybe for Chinese people.
Hey Al, don't break that. We're gonna need that. Hey Al, you missed this box. Maybe you can show us what's inside that box.
Maybe the more people. Wait a minute. No, it's these.
What? Whoa! What are those?
I don't know. Maybe just more chargers?
More chargers. Okay. Seems like this is gonna be a very, very long day for Papa.
Even
Well, it's gonna be a long day for us.
yeah.
I wonder what that is. Well, guess we're gonna figure it out later.
Yeah, I can't read Chinese. It's too hard. Even the Renee, I wish it's a long, long time ago. My Papa, I wish. My Papa.
Yeah.
I wish it's a long time ago we don't talk Chinese.
Well, maybe we should take a class of Chinese language.
Papa, but Daddy's rhymes are no Chinese. Maybe
I think he can speak Japanese, not Chinese. I can speak Japanese. Did you know that? Hey, maybe now you can show us what's included in the box.
Wow.
Huh? What was that?
That was a chop. That was Xioami. Yeah, I still know that.
Anyway, hey Hal, we haven't done our unboxing yet.
Yeah.
Show us how many packages are inside the box.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11,
What?
12.
There's 12 packages. And what are these?
Tires.
Tires.
Stop!
Big rubber tires.
It's not rubber.
What's it?
Ah!
It's not rubber, then what is it? It's as big as your face.
Look!
And it's gonna be a really big truck.
Yeah, but the battery.
Battery.
These look like a battering ring. Oh!
I think these are motors. Maybe. And what's that white orange box? Let me see that. Oh, there's a voice recognition.
Ah!
I don't know what this is, but we'll figure it out later. There's a power button. I suppose this is the power unit.
Yeah. You know that crane thingy? That crane?
USB-C
Hey,
slot.
Papa, that crane toy mean is from Chinese either.
That's also from Xiaomi.
Xiaomi, I don't know Xiaomi.
That's the brand. It's a really, really good brand.
It was quick. We just make it in 2 days.
Yeah, it only took 2 days. That's a lot of time. Anyway, should we build it now?
Why? This looks like Lion King McQueen with big tires. Hi! Oh yeah! Yeah! Churro!
Little accident. That's okay. I'll get it for you. Hey Al, come on. Let's finish the video.
Tire! Ah! Tire man!
Your tire man.
Okay, now I want to open this plastic.
No, I'll open it. Don't open it. Hey Al, watch out. You're hitting the microphone.
Sorry, mister.
Anyway, let's finish up this video so we can move on to building the truck.
Maybe this is gonna be. Maybe this is gonna be
Gonna be what?
10 days to make this.
I don't know, but I'll try to finish it in 1 day. But don't open it. You're gonna make a mess.
Oh, fine.
One eternity later.
Look guys, the truck is ready. Open the box. Like this.
Whoa!
Check this out. There have seats for my Lego minifigures.
It's an awesome truck, Al.
How I control it?
I think you control it through the phone.
Oh, but I'm not a grown up.
You can use my phone.
Yay!
Wow, look at this awesome truck. It's really big. It's bigger than your head.
Yeah.
See that? Whoa. Giant tires. There's the 2 seats. And whoa. There's 2 dynamos.
Dynamos.
Man, it's a really awesome car.
Why you buy this? This is $1,008.
Huh?
This is $1,008.
$1,008. No, it didn't.
Oh.
It was about $100, $100.
What the heck?
Whoa, awesome truck, bro.
I want to control it, please.
Hey, wait, you haven't talked about the truck yet.
This truck needs to be charged. This is not a car. It's a remote controller car.
It's a remote controlled car
Made of Legos.
made of Legos. But I'm gonna tell you a secret. This is not Lego.
This is not Lego.
It's from Xioami.
It's from Xioami.
Wow, they really do make great products. See that? It has 1,500 parts.
What the?
Took us what? 3 days to build?
3 days.
3 days?
Yeah.
But yeah, it was well worth the time.
I want to control it.
Should we control it?
Yeah.
Should we play it outside?
Yeah. I'm playing outside.
You can control it with the phone, Al?
Yeah.
Hey, you're going backwards. That's awesome. It's a rock climber, Al. What are you doing?
Dancing.
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 Watch out. Don't go to the pool. Hey, look, there's our cat.
Dancing.
Hello, cat.
Hello, paper.
Hey, Al, can you chase Keo with the cat? With the car? Use the right one. Okay, you're good. Hey, Al, can you try running over that bag? Go for it. Oh, ah! Okay, Al, let's try it out. Okay, it's going. Oh! It flipped over. Oh man.
Let's have a shrimp right here.
I don't think we have any more boards. Well, anyway, we're gonna play now. Aldebaran, say bye-bye.
Bye.
So do you like the Xiaomi remote control truck?
Yeah.
Is it awesome? Oh, you did it. Okay, let's try and make more obstacles. Okay, Al. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
See you on the next video.